Hello and welcome to our channel. So after Apple's Far Out event on Wednesday, Samsung took a dig at Apple, which is not surprising at all. This has been going on for years. Samsung says something, followed by Apple, and so on. But recently, a smartwatch company took a dig at Apple. It's none other than Garmin. The reason being, Apple is stepping into outdoor smartwatch segment in which Garmin has long held a dominant position. And just to assert its dominance, it is subtly mocking the new Apple Watch Ultra on one of its social media platforms. A day before yesterday, Garmin published a teasing tweet that targets the advertised battery life of the Apple Watch Ultra. It has a marketed battery life of just 36 hours, which can be extended to 60 hours by activating a special power saving mode, which Garmin doesn't think is a feature that deserves praise. For that, Garmin's tweet was, "We measure battery life in months, not hours. #Enduro2. It has the longest battery life of any existing Garmin watch thanks to its built-in solar cells and other optimizations done to the watch. The second generation of the outdoor smartwatch is supposed to sport a regular battery life of 46 days or up to an outstanding 550 days per charge in power saving mode. But to be honest, these devices can hardly be compared to one another. Apple offers a slightly different feature set and is further equipped with an incredibly bright OLED display with up to 2000 nits. On the other hand, we are dealing with a rugged smartwatch that's clearly targeted at endurance athletes looking for a GPS smartwatch that performs for days. And even though Garmin makes such fabulous smartwatches, they do not dominate the smartwatch market when it comes to sheer number of units sold. Apple still holds dominant position with 26.4% market share in second quarter of 2022, selling 8.4 million units, whereas Garmin holds just 5.5%. In any case, it's fun to see banter between two heavyweights and the healthy competition that follows. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for hanging out till the very end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch you in the next one.